morning, birds! Having a very chill, rainy day.
Well, howdy, Paloma.
Someone's out with her nap. I'm getting a little snack, and then I'm going to go lay down for a little while before I have to get her up. So actually she's not almost done with her nap, she's like halfway done with her nap. I don't know why I said she's almost done with her nap. Gonna have a little snack, lay down, and wait for it to be time to wake her up. It's so rainy. I just want to stay in bed all day. But anyway, see you guys. Wakey wakey. Hey, it's time to get up. It's time to get up. Time to get up. Hi. It's time to get up. It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up. Oh, hi. There's a llama in my face. Hi. Don't hit Mom with the llama. Come on, let's go. Whee! Bye! Go adventure! I'll be right behind you. I just gotta move these. There we go. Okay. Ah! Okay, go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! So basically, today was pretty chill. There was a lot of rain, and that means that I was mostly really tired. Well, I've been tired because of the bad sleep, but I was also really tired because it was a gray, boring, sleepy sort of day. And yeah, so make sure that's locked. Keys on the door thingy. But besides it being, really sleepy, I also had a headache from the rain, because sometimes that happens when the weather shifts. It gives me a headache, and yeah, so that's totally terrible and interfered with vlogging and cleaning and all that nonsense. But it's night. I'm gonna get some sleep now. If you like the vlog, hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more, subscribe. And see you guys tomorrow. Bye.